Welcome back to Crypto Rally. It is March 16th, 2026. Looking at the Bitcoin chart on the weekly. So here we go. All right, so I'm just going to show you my bear market bottom prediction if we head there. So I went from the top of the bull market to the recent low on the weekly. So if we break this, coming down lower. So we broke this, we came down to the 1.414 at 59,000. Well, it was right around 60,000, so we didn't quite hit it or whatever. But if we're rejecting here from the breakdown level, we could come down to this 53,500 level. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for the bear market bottom. I also have, go ahead and we'll look at the RSIs real quick. So RSIs, curling up the bottom, so that's good. We're going to head higher up to the top and then come back for a deeper pullback to this 53 level, or we're just going to keep heading higher. Bear market's over, we're going straight up. The RSI is also over the signal line, and that's heading up also, so lots of room to keep heading up. Not sure what we're going to do, but we'll just check the levels. All right, and then also going to turn these off, hide, and I'm going to turn the 350 week moving average. You see this is down here on 45,480, and you can see in the past bull market we bounced right off of it heading up. So are we going to stay up here for a few months? This is going to curl up 6 months or so around this 53,000 level, come down one more time, hit it, and keep going up. Only time will tell. So let's go ahead and we're going to switch to this current levels, current move, and I'm going to turn this to green because we're heading up, and I'm going to reverse the fib. Alright, so from this bottom right here around 60K, let me zoom in, get it close to perfect-ish. Alright, close enough. Anyways, we've been trying to get over the 71,500 level, and we finally broke over on the weekly. We tried here, didn't get over it, broke it on the weekly, now we're above it. So now we're going to try to look for, so I keep tracking as we go higher, so we can go from this bottom to the top right now. I'll turn this one red. So if this is the end of the move, we're going to reject off this level and come down. These are the levels I'm looking for. 618, around 65,150-ish. So come down to 618, bounce and go higher. If this is a trap, I'm coming down, you can see the levels. See the bottom levels around that 53K. So if this is if we're back in the bear market and we're coming down right now, we'll hit that zone that we're in between 52, 53, 56. So this is the zone I'd be looking for if we're going to come back down. If it doesn't bounce off around the 618, 786 and go higher, is what we're looking at. So now we're going to zoom in a little bit more. 4 hour. Get rid of all these lines. Maybe even get rid of the weekly. Alrighty. So I'm going to go to the daily. Tracking the daily levels. And grab the fib. So from this bottom, where the bounce started, to where we're at right now. Alright, so from the top to the bottom where we bounced here, looking for these pullback levels. So here's a 618, 68,900. So come down. If we need to bounce, head up. Let's look at the RSIs. Right. So daily RSIs. So the daily, the RSI is still trending up, still plenty of room for a move to the upside. Stock RSI is getting overheated. 4 hour overheated. You can see we were overheated a little bit. The 4 hour RSI is coming back down some. 1 hour is coming back down. Cooling off a little bit, so that's good. Come back down, and then 1 hour can help us push over the high. So these, so these are the levels I'm looking at. Come down. It's the 1 hour. Top, come down, either bounce off the 236 higher, 382 higher, 0.5, and then so on. Bounce off these levels, head higher, hopefully. And then on the flip side, so from here to here, these are the areas for a pullback I'd be looking for. If we break through these levels, don't bounce off the 618. Be looking for these levels down below for a bounce higher. And on the flip side, we're going to go turn this back to green. Green. Put the RSI. So from here to here. So from the top of this move down to the bottom, see these are the fib lines. Trying to get over support, popped above it, heading back down, using the 786 right now as support. So this would be my green zone if we're going to remain bullish. There is green. Can even go to the current move since we popped above it right here. So you can see here the 618 is up in this green zone still. You can even bring it down for the current move right here. So there's my green zone for this current move. And we're in this box, come up, come back down to a 618, and then head up higher, hopefully. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. That's what I'm looking at right now. Please like and subscribe, and I will put out some more videos. Have a wonderful day.